Okay, so we are in my little engine room here in the basement, and it's hard to see because there's no light, and I just have my phone. But what we have here is my Snapper 21-inch self-propelled electric start lawnmower, and it looks like it's in horrible shape because it used to be sitting in the back corner there where the Jacobson is, but most of this crud that's all over it came off the wall and it's rusty. It's been sitting in storage down here for maybe 4 years, but I'm gonna drag it out and see if I can get it cleaned up and fire it up and see how it'll work. Okay, well, we got it out. Here's where this was all off the wall. A little bit of wire brush will take care of that. Have to wire brush the drive plate too because it's pretty rusty. But we're going to get that taken care of, then take the blade off, install this gizmo, which I believe is called a mulcherizer, and set it up with the bag chute, and then use it for leaf mulching. Okay, so this is going to be a bit interesting. I'm going to try to hold the camera here and hold the kill bar with the same hand and see if I can't, because I'm using my phone, and I'm going to see if this thing will fire up. Put gas in it, doesn't appear to be leaking anywhere. Fresh oil, everything's together. I put the regular discharge chute on so we can actually see the drive. The bagger chute covers up the drive, so here we go. Didn't check the spark plug. I probably should have done that. Fired. Phew. Old gas. Dang. That stinks. Guess I didn't have it run completely out before. Carburetor's probably gummed up. I'm going to have to pull the bowl out and shoot some cleaner into there. Well, it does run, so a little bit of tweaking and I'll have it going again.